Nakalagjikan, ngayon patungan mulihan ito Rusian, o lugayan, sa kalingar, sa auditorium, ang class, riyakit, isang palu, dan riyakit isang tukaw, ang lugaryo, Miss Tanisha David.
Kailangan ng gamitin nyo. Kasalaya na ito. Muna ko ros, kabi mo ang sama chay coach. Iya mo kipon-ipon mo lang sa ray, pasalabala put leben net, naan markiyan mo inet. Wala po mo lang uryon, sa ray, isunaan ka na mo inet. Ejungal sa karataan mo, puto ka na susetin net, Nanamin set, kasabuli jungol wow, ongkot na karyawan mo yung Bombay, Honorable Reed P. Oliver, mabangyan sa buwan machay sa karatang kawit, ong fish kan mabanag sang rat. Wow, Joron, pitokol kotokan koros, PTA officers and school watch, principal, vice principal, sumbatangkan, nono babakan, yang imagaskas sa pulkan o korusye. Monsa po ko yung soko. Nagachin ko niya small 11 sa bulan. Uyan kap sa letap. Niya ipanong sa niki. Autaban sa karatang kapong watch pangki po. Iban bacawan mo niyan tukis kan magkasapuraan watch. O uyan, cungal sa karatang kapong. O kumurumurong panikan koros. Nakonek sa karatang kapong watch and kaptokot. Sa sumalang kukapyo, wag sa bacawan kayo sa kalang silog ew na eletaras kakpacho mo may ranoj. Niyan suka sa bacawan chapiata silog wech, sa bacawan checheki at sungal paningwan, o socha wawag ya, kawit batch, apwal batch, o slapatch. Amo may ranoj, ni sobi kasal, sa bacawan kalawatiyan, imun silok wech niyash pacawan kain segala irai-rentakan ka school kayu. Tamele tapuita wech mesansal mo may ran wech. Yeyi kumain achmal papa nono o sambatangkan sang kawito pon makmain simin kupene lalapos kupene o mele kupene yeyi mesansal mo tokon wech mele mo tompiran. Ang sumak may kong chuchula, pachula, o pangakong kutsata. So, tsaka parang yung ano sa ramaw, nagmay ko yung kiss mo ang pampiran. So, nagmay lang na so, tsaka-tsaman, na may kaway ka batang, so, tsaka ano lang man. That's all ang kiss up. Epan so dilalash pang yang kalau murpenach nur penyach pang kekirta wait senkak yang kataya lo kalau soren winech watch up nelen pisara watch wagya cepan to besangan agik sarikan me bang kasabulran watch nang kasyaman kumai dash kapa no up nelen kumai dash batangkan pachon mai watch me pachowan. Time passes, feelings change, memories fade, people leave, but hearts never forget. Kailangan kumain at sumalpapa, nono o sumbatangkan. O kumain na baga sa pulranwaj. Kumain ka siya man kung kumain magpuita, kung koya nga siya iray ka na kung rapaki o kotoki. Kareta. Iman bago ko siya ilang macam nan lalapot, makarway siya ito nan irairan par walu na bachelor. Kunya pinlalapot siya, may banitang ko siya iwag, nantakan high school, may bang ray ko par Kejayaan zaman ajal orang lakukan kesebulan parwaj mebacawan. Owning our successes while focusing on our strengths. Nagkaparang lang na pingkasan pompi nagkachiciki. Wala uliya siya ipuitakan o bat kalawan ni sa pachay. Zaman na pachay na bang yang winach lakap o panikareta. What we eat is what we are. Kecai sawas penonan ciyong katawan mo isang kecai. Song suwato kaperenkan na bang kapuyak na kalawat silok na kecai pantulan lalas ang mechkola. Ang kecai kasyamatiyak na kecai nongyo kawitan papa o nono arapatak na bang yan sila kecai nipong o kawit kecai ningran. Puksaraw nasa ni. Kakakisaro mo inong pukan kaklur waring nisan pa. Kecai jama-jaman memarai koyok o lalabak iposan niyas mau telur mau wanaramasamin. Ipigpacawan kami lele nasa karatang kapit waj sochapan usap masa sochapan dito ko ako panye sa was chocho na yan chuwang nasilo kan nurwaj. Sa mabacawan po nasa Next District Government, FSM Congress, Pompi State Government, TSP Program, CSP Program, o balikan koros may socha pachowanta. Kailangan ng kupuramay, kaya ko sawasan choose makumay sa pangkuta. Kinsagla na chungal kapit ko koros, mayang kach o pacho na kasaraw kasampan o rag patapat Wait na national mo. Sa mabacawan katete yung kumain, sa punmaway lang suso siya panolang mga ranot. Ako siya lang mga ngita bacawan, mamentacha at huya sa rikay, sa huya ragas kasampan kay o hihipit, na huya chechak kayo kasampan o pomping sa rawuwat. Aralaro kailangan ng pupulkoros.
यही सब valedictorian and last year with Ace Apollo o Ace Apollo o yही सब में patuan singila tengah sangat mengenai ceremony akan isikan mat patu ramat nang kasarawan ramat ay semua option mosa polisoko dengan patuan kaya sampai valedictorian kan on podium ye list punya tanis.
Thank you, Master of Ceremonies. Good morning and welcome to the graduation ceremony of the class of 2019. To begin with, I would like to thank the Lord for bringing us all here today. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to pay respect to our Paramount Chief, His Majesty Bod Lebenech, His Royal Highness Isonangan of Nech, Nanzo Zedin Nech, Nanganiye, Nana Minset, Nana Nech, PTA President of Nech School, Nana Wan Nech, PTA Vice President of Nech School, and spouses. As well as our state government leaders, Lieutenant Governor, national government leaders and staff, members of Diplomatic Corps, Principal and Vice Principal of Nech School, teachers, parents, families, my fellow graduates, and everyone who was present today to witness the graduation ceremony of the class of 2019. Basileia Michael. Today is indeed a very special day in our lives, the graduating class of 2019. We have come a long way to reach this special day, through many valleys of struggles and hardships. Also came some mountains of experiences. The cumulative number of success we had prompts us to say this truly is a special day where we can celebrate with our teachers, principals, and the community as well. Therefore, on behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to convey a special thank you for your unending support throughout the long 8 years of studies here at Lynch Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not the end, but just the beginning of a long journey toward our educational undertaking. We are anxious and looking forward to the next level of our educational challenges. As we look forward to our secondary education, we want to thank the education system for providing many windows of opportunities to increase our knowledge and learning. Here in Columbia alone, we have more than 5 high schools, which are adequate enough to accommodate the number of graduating elementary schools. On top of that, they are not only adequate enough to provide room for us, but also providing quality educational services based on meeting the school's accreditation requirements. In closing, I want to take this opportunity to thank my family for bringing me to this school. I also want to thank the teachers and my friends for making me feel at home. If it weren't for my family, I wouldn't have met my wonderful classmates. I want to thank my family, friends, teachers, especially my close friends. To continue coming to school. Without them, I would not be standing right here and right now. I want to congratulate my fellow graduates. Even though we will be going our separate ways, I hope our hearts will still be together. I also want to encourage all the remaining grades from 1st to 7th to keep following your goals. Never stop trying. If people discourage you, don't give up. Try harder, study harder. Be open to your family and friends, especially close ones. Don't forget to pray and give thanks to our Creator. I hope you do even better than we did this year and the years to come. Although we will leave you physically, you will always be in our thoughts and prayers. May God bless you all.
Kasama sa Sulawesi, dapat